You don't need a financial advisor to build wealth. You need a system. This channel gives you that system for free. This is Be Your Own CIO channel. A CIO is a Chief Investment Officer. That is the person who manages money for big institutions. Here, you learn to think the same way. You learn to manage your own money like a pro. This channel is for the first-time investors. You do not need experience. You don't need a finance degree. I use simple words, no jargons, no hype, no shortcuts, just clear frameworks you can use. Here is what you will learn here. Where every asset class fits, how stocks, bonds, cash, gold, real estate, and cryptocurrencies work, how ETFs works, how bonds and treasuries work, how to divide your money with asset allocation, and how to build a real portfolio, step by step. The best place to start is one playlist. It's called The Investors Foundation. Watch it in order, from top to bottom. Each video builds on the one before it. Watch it in order. First, where Bitcoin fits in a portfolio, then every major asset classes, then ETFs, bonds and treasuries, then asset allocation, stocks versus bonds, then we build a portfolio from the scratch. And at the end, one honest question. Do you even need an advisor? By then, you will know the answer. New videos come out regularly. Everyone uses simple language, and everyone comes with a free tool. My portfolio allocation starter worksheet. It helps you plan your own mix. So do 3 things. Subscribe, start with the Investors Foundation playlist, and get the free worksheet in our Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. Learn the frameworks, build your own portfolio, control your own money. That's how a chief investment officer would think about it. One note, everything here is for education only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research.